I will share it again.
Is it possible to have a link to the Ikerlan SharePoint?
Yes, I put it in the Ikerlan's Teams.
Okay, for it didn't work for me either.
Okay, so you can check this link again.
Okay, this is working. Thanks.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, this is working. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. I think that the recording is also started, right?
Yeah, I started it.
Because I don't see the timer here.
At least in my screen says that I can stop the recording, so I guess.
Okay, so
it has already started. Yeah.
Yeah,
the timer is at least in my screen is at the top left corner of the meeting.
Yeah, because in my screen the timer isn't working. That's okay.
Fine.
It's everything in your side. Okay. So today we are going to deploy the Kubeflow, MLflow, and Feast into OVH Cloud. So we are recording this meeting just for your information to know. And this meeting is being holding by University of Oulu and Ikerlan. And okay, so let's review today's material. So first of all, we will install Kubeflow. To install Kubeflow, we need to clone the manifest repository. We will use version 1.5.1 because we are using Kubernetes version 1.20. We will change the default password. We will check the current pods and namespaces that are already running in the FRACTAL's Kubernetes. And then we will install the Kubeflow, and then we expose the Kubeflow to outside. We will add a new user to that namespace, but before that, let's check the things that may cause conflicts for us. So first of all, we assume that you don't have the namespaces auth, cert manager, Istio system, knative serving, kserve, and kubeflow. You don't have anything like this in your cluster. Is it right?
Checking right now, and I think the third manager is already active in the cluster.
Okay, what is the version of cert manager?
How can I check that?
You can check the details with let me check the comments here. I think it's version 1, but I don't see the information here. Check from the manifests. You only have the cert manager, right?
Yeah, Yeah, and I think
Nothing
it's
else.
on version 1.5.3.
1.5.3.
I think so.
Let me check because okay, I will check the version later in the setup.
Okay, yeah, it's okay.
Yeah, okay. And then do you have the STU too, or
No, I think the other ones are. Double check again. No, the other ones are not installed.
okay, very cool. So after that, we will install MLflow. We already put things for MLflow into one repository. We collect every information there, and we only need to run one single script to for MLflow to be installed. And we will only use MLflow inside the cluster, and we will not expose it outside the cluster for the security reasons. And after that, Feast will be also installed, and then we will use Feasts within the component. And after everything is done, we will have the demo, and we will put the all components together, and we will see how they are working together. So let's go with the installation. So I suggest that you share the screen, and we can follow your screen.
Sure. Okay, so here you can see the screen, I guess.
Yes. Okay. And now I will give you this repository you clone. I will put in the chat.
Fine. Okay, so I should clone this repo? No?
Yes.
Let me just move it to.
Yes, you.
Okay.
Okay, so yes, that's cool. So for now, you have to check out version 1.5.1.
Is this a branch or so?
It will like branch, yeah.
Okay.
V1.1.1. 5. The middle one is 5. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. And then
looks fine.
Yep. And in the let me check. Okay, cert common. Okay, and you create a file in the manifest main folder named
yeah, right?
yeah, okay. Yes. Name it install.sh or script.sh, whatever.
Okay.
And put these things that I shared with you. Yeah. But I think that there are 3. I need to edit this because I put it.
I should remove this one, no?
Yeah. And also there are in the last.
Ones. Okay.
Okay.
Like this.
Yeah, but before that, let's check the version of Cert Manager because I am not
Yeah,
sure
this is
about that.
what I looked before. I saw this one.
Oh yeah, version 5.3. And let me check from here. It is 1.5.0, and I don't know. We can change the namespace of this cert manager, but it will change everything. Or we can hope that it is fine with 1.5.3. Let me. Cert manager. Okay, so we can proceed with 1.5.3, and if it
Let's
doesn't
see.
work, yeah. But for that, you need to comment the line in
Oh,
a script,
yeah.
the
This one.
comment, yes, that one, only that one.
Only the, oh yeah.
Yeah. So now you have to run it. I think you have to give the permission to be executed to install sh, like chmod
Yeah.
plus x, yeah. And
Okay.
one more thing, do you have the customize inside your?
I don't think so.
Let's check the customize. Just run the command kubectl customize with kusto. Yes. Do you have it? Okay, very cool. So you can run the script now.
But do we? I mean,
Yeah.
unable to find one of.
No, this is the error for the running of the file. I just wanted to check that. Yeah.
Okay. Fine. So I should run this one. Like,
Yes, and it will take time. And by the way, what is your cluster's specification? What
you
machines
mean?
are you using? How many nodes? And
Okay. I think we had like two. Let me see. Yeah, we had like two nodes here,
CPU. Okay.
but we have the auto scaling enabled. So if more power is needed, the internet
Okay.
should be going.
Oh, by the way, we haven't changed the default password, but after that, it's okay. We can change the default password. Okay. And was there no error for cert manager? Let's go up. Haven't arrived to cert manager rate yet, I think.
Doesn't look like so. So
Yeah,
just a couple of
it
warnings.
passed. Yeah, but we can check afterward. You can. Let me check the status here. Okay, I think it's done. Can you check the pods?
Check the sorry.
Check the pods kubeflow kubectl get pods dash a.
Pods. Okay.
Yeah.
Um,
A should be uppercase.
okay.
Okay, so kubeflow is running.
Hmm.
And can you check the cert manager too? Okay, serve has one error here.
Here, yeah. And using kserve error.
Yeah, kserve has one error. So let's check what is that error. To check the, I think it's for your auto scaling part, but let's check. You can run kubectl describe pod dash n kserve.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so it's fine.
Yeah, it's now running. No? Let's.
Okay, so let's run the, let's expose the kubeflow to outside, and then we will create the user. So let me find the instructions. Okay, for this part, we will need to make the kubeflow server to use HTTPS instead of HTTP, because the notebooks need HTTPS gateways. So for that, we will edit this file. I will send you in the chat. Okay, use this command to edit for the edit. Okay, so add this at the end of the file. Can you use the VIM, or I give you?
Really
Okay, so okay, so press I in the keyboard
to insert. Yeah.
Yes, and
And
go
now
to
it's
the,
like editing normal, no? Okay.
yeah. Okay, and now copy paste these lines. Oh, it didn't copy the
The indentation, no.
things. Okay, so let me give you the. Okay, use this. Maybe you can use this one.
Yeah.
Okay, let's check the. I think it is cool.
But we have to remove this part, no?
No, it's okay.
Oh, no, okay, no, it's okay.
Yeah, unless you want to expose in a specific URLs, like if you have domain for this, you can specify it there.
Yeah.
But we assume that
not yet.
you don't have it. Okay, cool.
Yeah, it's okay.
And now just press escape on your keyboard.
Okay.
And now colon and then type WQ and enter.
WQ?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, let's wait for a couple of seconds.
Right.
Okay, yes, it's edited. And now we will need to patch the ECU ingress gateway in order to make it load balancer type. And I will give you the comments again in the chat. Okay, this command will edit your ECU config and make it load balancer.
Okay. Okay. So we should have a service with an IP address or so, or
Yes, and you let me. I'm testing the command here, and we'll
oh yeah,
give
sure,
you
sure.
in a second. ECU system. Okay. Okay, I sent you in the chat. Okay, so it is getting one IP address from OVH, but not yet because it's the status is ensuring load balancer. Just after 1 minute, I think in OVH it will give you one IP address.
Mm-hmm. We may sit here, right? Or we have to go to the OVH panel.
Yeah, just you can check it again now.
Mm-hmm. Gatex,
No, not yet, but let's wait.
yeah. Okay.
And meanwhile, you can create one file, name it cert.yaml.
Okay.
And put is all of and use this. Okay,
Now
so
you
we
have
will
to put the
change,
IP
yes,
address.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Or also you can put again your domain here, but for now we don't have any domain, so we can skip the domain part, but let's wait.
Okay.
Okay, so you have the IP here, 152.228.
Okay, this one.
Yeah.
Okay, I should take this one and put it in the.
Yes.
Like
Okay.
this.
Yeah. And now kubectl -f apply-f. No, kubectl
Yeah,
apply-f.
okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Apply file, yeah.
Yes. The cert YAML. Yeah. Okay, it's created and there is no issue. Okay, very cool. And I think we can now go to that IP address. Put it in the browser. Yeah. Okay, just reload it for a couple of times, maybe.
Yeah. Now.
Okay, now put the advanced. Yeah. Okay, so
Fine.
you have it. And you can select the namespace. And yes. Yeah. So everything is all right, except that we have to change the default user password, and we will have to add one user just
Okay, that's okay.
Yeah.
I'm not really familiar with Kubeflow, so
Yeah. Okay,
okay.
so let's add new profile, or we can change the default password for now. Okay, let me give you the instructions. Let me find it. Password. Okay. For changing password, you can use online websites to randomly generate the password for you, or you can use this Python script. Do you have Python installed in this machine that you're using?
Yeah.
Okay, so just run this command and then select one password for it. And
Where should I select
you
the
can
password?
run the command. It will ask you for
Okay,
password.
now.
So you have not
Mm.
you have to install the passlib with pip. Yeah.
And now I
Okay,
should use.
just select any password that you like.
Mm,
Okay, now
it's the
copy it.
encrypted password.
Yes, and let me find the. I want to do two things together. So we create new profile and then we change also the password. Okay. So
Fine.
let me. Okay, so create one file, name it a uolo profile. Since we want to show you the demo, we will have this profile.
What was the name? Sorry.
Name it uolo profile .yaml.
Like this.
Yes. Okay, so this this will be our user, and okay, we need to find the. Let me find it here. Sorry for this inconvenient way of configuration because the materials for Qflow are in different websites and
Yeah,
okay.
don't worry.
Okay, so did you put the profile there?
Yes.
Okay, so
Like this. Yeah.
okay. Okay, so now run this command.
Apply it, right?
No. Before applying, run this command.
Okay, sorry, you sent another
Yeah,
command.
yeah. It will give you the one file here for you. Okay, so open this file. Open this. Yes, and now add one. Just paste your hash generated hash here. Yes. And also
Okay.
I will give you our password hash.
I
Okay,
should
so
replace this hash or
yes, just replace that
okay.
hash.
And now you're going to send a new one.
Okay, but you need to do it. You do this after the user ID part. Just
Okay.
delete this email part. Yeah.
It's true. Yeah.
Yeah.
Here.
Okay. Now email. name the email olu@olu.fi. I will send you the password hash for you. Okay. So use this as password hash, and put the username olu, and put the user ID. Increase the user ID by 2.
Why by 2 and not by 1? Just
2 is always working.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so now we will have this profile, and we can access the OVH Cloud too. Okay, so now use this command to apply the changes. I will send you the command here. You cannot apply this file because
Yeah,
so
it's
first
not
of all,
like
apply the profile, your Olo profile.
but apply it like kubectl apply or you
Yeah,
want to
yeah,
send something
kubectl
special?
apply
Okay.
apply dash f
Yeah, okay.
just the profile. Yeah.
This one.
Yeah.
Fine.
Okay, now run this command to put everything there, and after that we need to roll out the.
Is this minus at the end okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
Now run this command to apply the changes. Okay, so give me the IP address so I can check that I can access to that. What was the IP?
I'm sending right
1.1.
now.
Okay, thanks.
Here you are.
The strange part is that it doesn't ask me the password. It just logged in.
Yeah, it didn't ask for a password for me.
Yeah, it's strange. Okay, so there's one problem here. No user detected. Okay, so let's see what's wrong here. Mm. Did you have the auth too? The namespace auth?
No. I don't think so, at least. No.
Maybe the cert manager here is the conflict.
Yeah, because I clicked on login out and now
Yeah, I tried
it
also. Yeah.
And it's a bit crazy now here. Definitely crazy. Yeah.
Can you check the namespace auth there? You can get all the pods, and let's see that Dex is working. Yes, get all ones. Okay, it's working fine. I want to say that let's use this cert manager with your version 1.3. It was at 1.5.3.
Yes.
Okay, so go to the folder common in the manifest, then to cert manager, and then to base.
Where? Here?
Cert common cert manager base in the folder base.
There is no base folder here, no?
There is no way. Oh, it's again in the cert manager that then
Okay.
base. Yeah,
Okay.
there are two cert
Base
managers.
patches.
No, not in the patches. Just
Okay.
yeah. So now edit the file cert manager and put the version 1. Change the 1.5.0 to 1.5.3. You have this version, right?
Yes.
So change every 1.5.3 to 1.5.0 to 1.5.3, and then
Okay, so let me see how to do that.
there are 7 of them, I think. Let me find it here with editor. Okay, 1.5. Okay, there are no more. There are too many.
Okay, 1 second. So, oh, okay.
There are too many of them. I can edit
I
it for
will.
you and send you here.
Okay, that's what I was going to do, or at least try. Um, wow.
Or maybe I can use the 1.5.3 in. Let's just copy paste it. I send you the file directly in Teams because it's too many line. It has too many lines.
Okay.
Yeah, I will just download it and send it in Teams. Well, I cannot send a file here. I don't know why.
In chat.
I share this. I will put it in the Teams because I cannot send it
Okay.
here. Yeah. So in the folder work package 5, in the meetings, in folder Qflow deployment, I will paste it here. Okay.
This one.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Or you can.
So, have you already changed the version, or?
Yeah, I changed the version to 1.5.3. This
Okay.
was this your version, right?
Yeah, let's double check.
Okay.
So, not this one. This one.
Yeah, let me check it again.
Let's check it here also. One point 5.3. There are 50. And the previous one was 1.5.0. So there are no results. So it looks nice, no?
Mm.
Okay. So we'll copy this. And maybe I can do
Okay, I have the 1.50 here, but let's try it. That's okay. So for this, you can run this command. I will send you the command.
okay.
Mm. S- Are you all set?
Not yet. I pasted every lines here, but I think it's a bit
Okay.
blocked.
So and
Otherwise, I will just copy the entire file and
mhm,
give me a second.
okay.
I think this is definitely better. Yeah. Okay. So I will copy. I can. Oh. I copied here the file, so I just
Um,
have to move it inside the.
the new one should be inside this folder. Yes, cert manager again. Cert manager base. Yes.
Here, right?
Yeah, it should be inside this folder. Okay,
So
so
let's go inside that.
yeah, go inside the manifests and then run this command. I will
At the moment, okay. Here.
send you here.
Mm.
I sent the command in the chat. Yeah.
Here.
Oh, so I think this command will not work. What? Let's try it. If it doesn't work, I will give you. Just try it. Okay, so put the kubectl before the customize. Yeah.
You are sent.
Uh,
You're back here, but not asking for a user.
Did it terminate all the pods and then
Uh,
build the new pods? You can check the command. Just
what
git pods
should I
insert
check?
manager. Yeah. The new pods are running. And one more time, we can restart this Dex service with this command.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, now let's check the. Oh, again, unfortunately. What about installing again from scratch? Uh, just uncomment that line in the install sh file
Yeah.
because we need to restart everything. Just uncomment this and then let's apply it again. You can run the no, you can run that command. You can
Yeah,
run
yeah, sure,
command.
yeah, true. Hmm.
Uh,
Like this.
yes. And I think we need to reconfigure the STU system again.
Okay. Mhm. So I think it's ready. Should we start editing the still file or? I did read the command back in, but I think you are muted. I don't know.
Oh, sorry, I am muted.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yes, edit that file and then add this at the end.
Like before.
Okay. Now escape and then
Yeah.
colon.
Now
Yes.
right and quit. Okay.
Yes, and then patch the load balancer. I will send you in the chat again.
Wait.
And wait for 1 or 2 minutes. It will give you new IP address.
So the previous one should be gone.
Yeah, if you go to the your OVH panel, you can find the IP address in the load balancer. Yeah.
Applying. Okay, here.
Mm.
This one, right?
Yeah, this should be the new IP address.
Okay, I will send you.
But it will not be working because we haven't added to cert manager yet.
Okay.
Yeah, but let me give you the instructions. Okay. And oh, you have the file. You have the file. You have the file there. Cert.yaml.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then you can put the IP address there, but it doesn't give you the IP address yet.
Yeah.
Okay. Sure. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So now I should go. Oh, which was the file?
Yes, to cert.yaml.
Okay.
And change that IP address.
Like this one.
I can. You sent all. You already sent me in the chat. Yeah. Okay. Now apply this. Okay, and then go to the address. Let's check the address again. Okay, I have it. Okay.
And now looks
Yeah, you
looks fine
just
now.
use a user at example.com. And we have to use the default password, which is 123 123 1234 1234. 2 times 1234. Yeah. Let me check it.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Let me check it here.
Yeah,
Maybe.
don't worry.
Oh, maybe you changed the password. It's used the new one.
Okay, the one I selected.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know, to be honest.
Yeah, looks like so.
Yeah, okay.
Fine.
Go to the notebooks. And maybe we have the user here as well. Olu.
No, it's not here.
Oh, because you haven't
with my
you haven't
user.
been
That's
added.
it. Yeah.
Yeah.
But I can
Hyung,
create a notebook and so on.
yeah, Hyung, I used your default password. What was that?
My password was
No,
FRACTAL.
not yours. I mean my colleagues. Yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry.
I used your password that you sent me in the chat.
Yeah.
Yeah. What was that?
My password for my profile.
POI. Yeah. POI.
Oh no. Can I send it here?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
That's okay.
Yes.
We have the full access. Okay. So let me use to access. Okay, so our profile is also okay, and we can create the notebook. Okay, so let's jump to installing the Kubeflow, I mean MLflow, and then Hyung will take the floor to for the rest of the meeting. Okay, so
perfect.
Let me find the GitHub here. Where was that? Okay, so
wait. I didn't upload the pipeline file in the GitHub yet. I still have it in my laptop, so
that's okay. Maybe we can postpone it for another meeting, but if it didn't have time to do it,
but
that's
actually,
okay.
I think I can share my screen and let Mikkel see how we run the Kubeflow on this. I think
Maybe, yeah.
I think
It is also okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it's
Okay, so Mikkel, please clone this repository too. Yeah.
Fine. And this was for MLflow, right?
Yeah, it is MLflow. You type the clone wrong. Yeah. Okay, so simply just run the install build.sh. It will build you the environment for you.
This will be way easier than the Kubeflow installation.
Yeah.
I was surprised that the installation was not so straightforward. I mean, not by your side. I mean, by the Kubeflow side.
Yeah, I found those instructions from really different places. So
that's why, yeah.
Yeah. So this is the IP and port of the MLflow. Just
internal one.
save it here.
Yep.
.10346.
I can send it to return if you want.
107. Okay. So for now, everything is installed, and Hyun can show how everything is working. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So can I share my screen?
Yes. Sure.
Did you see my? screen?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So here and here. Okay, so actually I have to rewrite the pipeline because before that I deploy Feast with the and I run it with on Kubeflow and run it via the Docker image, but seems like it's not work here. So I have to rewrite the pipeline to run it. So here you see the address of the ML flow you just sent. Yeah, it's actually here. It's different, so you need to change this one in this to save or to store your machine learning model in this server. So yeah, after you define this one, you run the Python to this file, and it will auto generate you this YAML file. Yeah, so basically it's something like this. And then you would go to display, you go to the pipeline, maybe you create something, you go to the pipeline and create one new something like Feast demo 2. So you upload the pipeline here, the YAML file.
YAML file.
Yeah, the YAML file and create. Yeah, so you will see, because I defined here two two operator and two container here. So it will run the training container first, and then after that it will run the prediction one. So in here is draw you the graph, and after this you just click on run, create run. Yes, so you don't need to, yes, and oh no, maybe you need to create some experiment here. It's just like a name, so you don't need to get maybe for I can something like that. Yes, so in here you click on the pipeline, you click run, and you choose the experiment name. That's it. And then you just click, yeah, this is on off. You don't need to run it recurrent. Okay. So you just click start. Yeah, so you see here it's running. So you can click here for the seed status. So it's start to run the training things. You can click here and you need to maybe wait for it for a moment. You can see the log here. Yeah, so it's run. Maybe it will maybe take a longer time for you to run the training because it's just in here. It's have the cache, so it's run pretty fast. It's already yeah. So you see here it will it will dump out some of the output for this. This is the I dump the.
This would be the address of the model that is stored inside the ML flow.
Yes, so I dump it out and load it to the predict containers, and this is the data that I retrieve from the Feast online store, and I use this one to as the predict data. So yes, and after this, this is the predictions of this data. So the data is the data that I use is the breast cancer. So maybe with this data, it will predict it will be the breast cancer. Yeah. So basically that's it. This is the output that I print out. So you can go to the, oh no, I didn't print out any log. Maybe I will show you this. No. This. Maybe it has more log here. None log. Oh no, maybe everything is running from cache because I run this so many times before, so I didn't find the maybe some log, for example. Yeah, maybe it's too long ago and it cannot retrieve the log, but yeah, basically, if you run it for the first time, it will
print more logs, I
yeah,
guess.
print out the log. For example, it will print out everything, like when it's run the command to install the Python package, or when it's run to anything. Yeah, so for example here, so you will see the log when it run, and you can easily find the error when it got the error. This will show you in the log here. You just go to the log and see what is the problem, where the error is, so you can edit your pipeline again, and then you will can run this one again. That's all.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Just a quick question, just for me to understand it.
Yeah.
This run or this code is running with a Docker image, or it's a code that you have been writing there.
So I can explain it here.
Yeah, yeah.
So
Yeah, okay.
the thing is that you have to do two things. First, you have to write your script, your functions inside
Yeah.
one Python file, and use the pipeline Kubeflow pipeline SDK to generate the YAML file, like the name of the containers and all the container itself, and then upload this
Yeah.
YAML file inside the Kubeflow and use the components and containers inside the Kubeflow, and you can see the logs, or if you have a model output, you can save it in MLflow, and by Feast you can train and test your things. So actually, this was the demo that this is the demo that can show that all components are working and they can work together pretty fine, and they are in cloud. So this can be useful for your demo.
Yeah, I was thinking because well, sorry, of course this is useful, but I was thinking also in the use case for demo, the one from the Siemens use case,
Let me
because
check that use case again, because I just recently added to those use cases, and
yeah, don't worry.
I'm not aware. So
Yeah,
the use
it
case
was
one.
four, sorry,
Oh,
the
four.
one from
Okay.
Siemens.
Okay.
Right now, the current situation is that they have a Docker image with Tiny Yellow v3 and Darknet,
Mm-hmm.
and the demo consists on using this Docker image, training a model with with this image. I mean, obtaining some weights for those parameters, and then making some. Well, and that's it. I don't know how we could match this use case demo with the tool you have been showing now with
Okay.
Qflow,
So
MLflow, and so on.
I'm reading the use case right now. So
Mm-hmm.
what they can it says that they have a model uploaded in the code repository. This code repository could be MLflow.
Mm.
It also can be the model repository. So you can upload the model inside the MLflow and the code along with that. And what's the next step? The push event triggers MLflow workflow. Okay, so
Where are
you
you
can.
reading from, Bahil? Just to
I'm reading from the Teams.
Teams.
In Teams,
Well,
you have a chat for T52 test case 4.
yeah, yeah. Sorry, maybe the naming is a bit confusing because on the one side we have the test cases, and those cases, so those demos
Maybe you
are. Yeah,
maybe
I
you can
can.
share the link and
Yeah,
we can find it. Yeah. The thing is
I'm
that
thinking. Yeah.
the person who
Mhm.
was responsible for this part is no longer in the university, and
Mhm.
we were not aware of this situation.
Yeah, yeah, I did understand well from what
Yeah.
you said. Yeah, yeah, and then we are quite a bit on a hurry. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So, um,
Uh,
so on
Maybe
the one
you
side,
share the screen
yeah,
because we
yeah, yeah.
don't see it. Yeah.
Let's see if I can explain it correctly. One second. So on the one side, we have the test cases like this one, and I think this was the one you were reading from.
Yeah.
Okay, so this test case, the test cases are to show how the components work with each other. No? I mean, here the components that should be working are like FS, Qflow, MLflow, Airflow, and so on. But
Yes.
those test cases are to show how they work with each other. And then, on the other hand, we have the use cases demos, and those ones have nothing to do with this. Well, nothing. No, the use case for is very close to, very similar to the test case for, and that's what I was asking, or what I was talking about.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if
So,
I'm being clear here or not so much.
so
I guess
what I can suggest is that we
maybe we
we
can
should
do
have
another.
another meeting with
Okay. Yeah.
Rolex, yeah, because they are developing this use case, and they need, for example, if they need the Kubeflow, we can provide for them one profile again inside the Qflow, and also Hyun can show us that how we can put everything inside this using the SDK of the Qflow and run the
Yeah.
containers inside the
Yeah.
Okay.
Qflow. Yeah,
Yeah.
and
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I think
also we
it's
have the
okay.
ML flow, so we can
Yeah. Well.
suggest multiple options for them. So however they want to run their test case,
Yeah.
they can use the environment.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
But just a quick note. It's not. I think it's not Rulex the one from these use cases. I think it's Siemens, as
Oh,
far as I'm
Oh,
aware. But
in use case 4, it's Rolex.
yes.
Uh,
Okay.
in this test
My
case, maybe I'm
yeah,
wrong.
test case, but not use case.
Oh yeah.
It's very confusing. Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely. Yeah. The naming is not the best one. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
maybe we should leave here this meeting, and we can arrange a different meetings so I can prepare a more clear, I don't know, view or
That's
requirements or so to.
completely okay from our side. And
Mhm.
one more thing we need is that we have to update the Excel file for the list of the deployments,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, fine. Yeah,
Where is the file? I cannot find it.
yeah. That happens to me every time I try to find that file specifically. Yeah. One second.
Oh, there is one file named T52 components, and
Yeah, this one. Let me check.
I will edit that. Okay.
Yeah, I was talking with Juanma before to keep these uploaded ones. Yeah, okay. So
Yes. Put it to
okay, yeah,
yes.
fine.
Okay. And but where is the
Definitely.
component names? Because I don't. We have one folder with the component names. Maybe this is the one, and
I
they
think that
edited.
that one was on work package 1, maybe the component name. I don't know.
I edit this, and I will go to one for package 1. Let me find.
What do you need the component name for?
I'm sorry.
What do you? Or why do you need this component name?
Sorry, I didn't understand.
So I was asking what you are looking for now. I mean, I thought that with
Yeah, the
updating this was
components.
a.
Yeah, the components list that it was about. It has the task number,
Oh,
and yeah,
yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah. I think that one is in work package 1.
work package 1.
Yeah. Let's see.
Okay. if you could find it.
Otherwise, I can, if we can find it, I will talk with Juan and we will update or we will send you the link or
Yeah, that's okay.
the address.
If you tell Juan, it would be nice.
Yeah, I will. For sure, I will.
Okay. But by the way, remember to save the IP address of the ML flow, and if they need it, just pass the IP address. And if you have any trouble with ML flow or Kubeflow or whatever, you can get back to us.
Okay, for sure we will. So
Yeah.
we'll keep in contact.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so
And
I will probably send another invitation for, I don't know, or tomorrow or so.
mhm.
If that works for you.
Let me check my calendar, but because
Yeah, because from our side it is important to have mm, the maximum amount of demos possible for next week. So
sure. And okay, so I am not free from 9:50 to 10:50 Spain time.
fine. So
Yeah.
for example, from 11 to 12 or something like this.
From 11 to 12 or from 10:30 to 11:30.
Okay, maybe so 10:30 to 11:30.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I
And what
will.
about Hyung? Hyung, are you available too?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. What is the day?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, 10:30, 11:30.
Tomorrow, 10 to tomorrow I'm free in the morning.
Okay, very
Okay,
cool.
fine. Okay, I will send the invitation now.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so thank you for your instructions and your patience.
That was quite nice, and I didn't expect that we could finish it on time.
Yeah.
Me neither, because when you do it on your machine, it works more or less. When once you start in another machines and so, you will
Yeah,
face
exactly.
issues, problems, and things that you have never seen before, and so on. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll talk tomorrow.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you,
Sure.
both of you.
You
Bye.
Have a nice day. Bye.
have a nice day. Bye.